Jamaica, watch
woman
this.
says her dog has attitude. Wait for the end.
So I am currently marking test papers. My dog thinks that I should stop marking all the papers and rub her tummy. Is that right, Joel? Is that right? Answer. Is that what you're telling me to do? So why the serious face? Can I get a kiss? Come and kiss me if you want. Kiss me if I should rub your belly. Come. Kiss, kiss. I guess she doesn't want her tummy to be rubbed because she gotta give me a kiss. Kiss. You're not gonna give me a kiss? Kiss, kiss.